Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's live. My name is Elmarie. I'm from MyGrowth OnPoint Trading and Coaching. As you can see, we've got Bitcoin on the screen, and it's been going very much sideways. The market is so neutral at the moment, it is really hard to place a successful trade, and those volatile coins are exceptionally scarce right now. So just to show you, personally, I think that this little pink box here needs to be filled. There needs to be some price action for several days in this area before we will see Bitcoin moving to the upside again. The reason being, if you, or some sort of what we can say the reason is for this is that if you have a look at the DXY, which is basically your US dollar index, the dollar is growing stronger at the moment, and it seems to be on its way to that resistance line. And if we get there in the dollar currency and strength, then we might see a rejection, and alts and Bitcoin will pick up again, probably. It is just, if the dollar gets stronger, it means the institutions and most people take their money out of cryptocurrency and other assets and investments, and they feel safe to put their money back into US dollars. It is very evident. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, you will see the same thing. The Bitcoin dominance has to make a decision now, and it's coming down because the money is flowing to the US dollar at the moment. When it reaches the apex, it might come down to test this bottom support line, this trend line over here, and then take us back up. If Bitcoin dominance does drop, it will be good for alts, because it means then alts will have an opportunity to have a bigger share of the market. You will see here in the total market cap, we have unfortunately lost a very significant support area here. That's a bit worrisome to see that the total market cap, it includes all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the alts. And the trading volume, for the first time in a very long time, it has dropped below this very strong support line. This diagonal support channel might provide sufficient support that it will bounce back up if it doesn't recover right there. So it shouldn't go lower than this area over here. But for now, we are hoping that the bears will step in and push us back over that step. If you remove Bitcoin from the scenario and only look at Ethereum and your other altcoins, exactly the same thing has happened. We've lost the upward support over there. We needed to go back. And if you then leave Ethereum out and have a look at the total market cap, excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin, then the same applies. We have unfortunately lost that support, and as long as the dollar increases in strength, this will continue. If the dollar weakens slightly, then faith will be restored in the cryptocurrency market, and we will see some good action here again. And of course, then, as we said, if Bitcoin dominance recovers, that's the DXY, the Bitcoin dominance, just see where that sits. There you go. If Bitcoin dominance comes down a bit and the dollar weakens, that will be very beneficial to altcoin trading. So to get back to our Bitcoin analysis, the safest trade you have right now will be to enter a short, maybe towards the 25K area, and you will make a really good profit there. Some other altcoins that we've had a look at is, you can have a look at Tomu. That also looks like a really good short opportunity. Just want to get it on screen quickly. Let's see. There you go. So you'll see it really is in a overbought area at the moment. MACD is still wide open, so you will ideally wait for the MACD to cross over before, to confirm a good entry in this trade. It's not a good idea to trade right now because it could continue its uptrend. It's quite possible, but watch out for the MACD. The moment it reverses and crosses over to the downside, this will be a really good opportunity for a short trade. My suggestion would be maybe to pull a Fibonacci retracement, rather pull it from the bottom upwards. Just see quickly. There. So what you ideally want to do is when price action reaches that level below the red zone at 1.11, you can enter more or less there. That will be your confirmation for a good entry if you want to short it, and then you can chase the targets maybe up to this zone approximately 0.6725, which will yield you a fairly decent profit. Let's just see if you do enter there and if you enter more or less there and price manages to reach the golden pocket, it's 40% profit to the downside, which is quite a decent profit. That, of course, is on your daily time frame, so it's not going to happen quickly. You will be in the trade for quite some time. If you maybe zoom out to the 4-hour, we can look at a more realistic trade for the short term. And there you're looking at a profit if you enter more or less there and exit there, 34% or 30%. This entire imbalance area needs to be filled. So that's what you will be chasing in the short term. I can just show you here quickly. See this zone over here. There is what you would fill in the short term. And that's a very nice profit. Once you have confirmation of the downtrend, enter it, and that will yield you a nice profit. Something else to maybe have a look at is Atom. If the market reverses to the upside, you've got an opportunity to up to that resistance level over there, which will give you 10.97 will be your target. And you can also have a look at audio. The next price or resistance level will be at 0.258 and then probably 0.273. So I hope those three will help you with your trading this week, Tomo, Atom, and audio. And be very, very careful of Bitcoin, which at the moment is heading towards the zone over here. I think over the weekend we might see price action occurring in this zone, and once that is filled, we will probably see a good movement to the upside again. I want to remind you of our pizza event. You will see in the description on the 2nd of June, we have a live and one-on-one trading event in Pretoria East. We will meet up, have some pizza, trade together, call coins, and just discuss some strategies. It's actually a great fun day. So if you are in the area and you want to meet other traders and just learn how to trade, or maybe just become part of a very fun and active community, please join us. It would be awesome to see you guys there. Thank you so much for joining today.